your faith.
I still believe that God is doing miracles.
I wonder if anyone in the room has some faith.
What miracles could we see if we didn't give up at the first sign of trouble?
Because you're in a place where Jesus is present. And where Jesus is present, life change happens.
I don't care that I'm 12. I don't care that I'm 14. I'm stepping into the overflow.
God, I believe you.
That he can do it. That he is who he says he is.
All of it happens because Jesus is in this place.
What transformations would be revealed?
I believe you can do stuff that's impossible with people. It becomes possible with you.